Yo sé que te lo haga porque por ayudar en... Sí. Oh, sí, es tan bueno. Y las facturas de trabajo. Miren, a mí me llamaron hace como 4 días, o sea, como ya me llegó ahí, como lo terminaron de empezar. Tomate, me dijo, sí, no, yo un poquito de tomate y un de pollo, ahí pollo no le da ni como ahí realmente fingerprint.
Overall, great little lock. I would say fingerprint wise, it's pretty spot on. It's already unlocked that quick. Locking is a little, you just have to tap it and then you kind of almost have to tap again and now it's locked. But it is simple enough. You don't need a key. You can use your PIN, you can use your fingerprint. We prefer the fingerprint method when you're coming in late at night. Very simple. And I need to replace the batteries. But other than that, it's been a great little lock for us. You can set a timer as well that it will auto lock, which is the best feature ever because no one locks our door in this house.
Should have known the longevity of it wouldn't be what it's supposed to be. That part works. I can type in the code. Everything's fine. And I've had this 6 months. I already had to replace the battery. They say battery's supposed to be 12 months. And now, the damn, the fingerprint ain't even acknowledging. It ain't even working or anything. Like, not at all. I checked all the settings. I reset it. Makes no sense.
Operation failed.
Easy lock. Easy to unlock. It's a little loud, but it's still very nice.
Locked. Battery is low. Please replace. Unlocked. Locked.
Organization, chaos, and lack of strategic direction my party has.
Done.
So when you see that they
Hey.